Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Star Food channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your beautiful life. So KB, where are we going?
Okay, so we are going today heading towards Kingston, Thousand Island. Right now we are on 401 and we're gonna have a very thrilling and scenic journey ahead of us.
Guys, weather is not ideal today. It's sprinkling right now.
Here is the ticket of inside tour. They have a magnetic souvenir or different kind of mannequins, toys. Those are the information about the cruises. They have it right now. And those are the maps of the journey. Right now we are heading towards our cruise. We already bought the ticket and we got so lucky today because when we got office they told us they have only 2 tickets left on the upper deck. That's include a precious and a very nice lunch in it. Here is the on board face of the KB. Low and below, here comes the first course, guys. Look at it. This includes the bread and the butter. It was really tasty. Oh my god, it was a really good starter. It's increased our appetite. And right now we are still waiting to start our journey. Look at those windows, you know how open and how big those windows. When you are actually, it's gonna show us a lot of scene and scenic journey here. Everybody is right now trying to comfortable their self and set up their self before cruise gonna start. Here we go. Here's the safety training. They shows us how we're gonna do in case of any worst scenario. You see how beautiful scene is outside. So guys, there's a thousand of island where people are live. They have their own golf courses. They have own yachts. They have own docking stations. You know, I saw even their choppers as well. Here we go. Second course of the meal. It's the artichoke with the sun-dried peppers and olives as well. Look at outside on those windows, guys. Look at that. Oh, here's me. I just enjoyed the artichoke. You know, here's my face after the artichoke. Look at those again windows. Here's the third meal. This is the salad. I love those arugula salads, man. You see the behind the window? Oh man, like what a scene, what those villas and houses and condos, you know. And look at those, we were really close to those houses. Here, this is the live performance. This was really nice guy. He entertained us all our journey from A to Z, you know. This is the kind of the information they put it inside the cruise. And another look, another side. Look at that house, man. Look at that. How enjoyable those guys from the window, guys. Wow, wow. Diya, what do you think about those scenes?
I wanna live in that villa. KB, can you buy for me?
Everybody is wishing, yeah. This was the tastiest course of the lunch, guys. Believe me, those are the braised chops. It was kind of smoky.
No, it's braised
ribs. Oh, okay, it was ribs and it was really tasty. Here is another, like they brought it after the tea, after the lunch, and it was really tasty on the boat when you. Oh man, this really, guys, surprised us because we thought there is no desserts in it, and when they brought it in, oh man, it was really tasty. This is the menu. They have a three option. One is vegan, two is halal, and third is
Gluten free.
gluten free. So whatever you guys wanted, uh, you can pick. I'm here right now on the roof of the cruise, and you see
The waves.
oh wow, what a like a vigorous waves, guys. Here come with the captain. He was really, I think so. He was really expert. He shipped the cruises very well. Really, we never found any hiccups or anything, man. So anyway, this is the upper top. Here the rain began, you know. So here we start our, I think so, journey back to the docking station. Look at those behind the ship. Oh wow, very nice. So now we are heading back to the docking station. Thanks guys, hope you guys had a very good journey with us, and we bought the upper deck ticket. It was close to $124. That's include the lunch and the central table of the upper deck as well. Guys, please drop off your comments and let us know what is the best thing you like it in this journey. Dia, any final word?
Thanks for watching.